Presenting the Redmi Note 11T 5G. The phone comes in color options of aquamarine blue, stardust white, and matte black. The phone has display of 6.6-inch FHD. The phone also has adaptive refresh rate technology, 90Hz high refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. It has 50MP high-resolution primary camera f/1.8 and 8MP ultra-wide sensor. It has 16MP front camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB IFS 2.2 internal storage. It supports connector type, USB Type-C. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 octa-core 5G processor based on 6nm process and clock speed. It also features 3.5mm jack, IR blaster and X-axis linear vibration motor. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, dual stereo speakers for immersive audio experience. Hi-Res certified audio and splash. The delivery box contains Redmi Note 11T 5G, power adapter and USB cable. SIM eject tool, warranty card and user guide. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.